Thank God it's another Friday and yes weekend by da ye fu fiada the fiada with the Abunabunu na made impossible. Abunabunu is a classic and a healthy green soup in Ghana. This is made from the young leaves or spinach, mushroom, seafood or snail, enjoyed by all the tribes in Ghana. And these are the simple ingredients that I'm using for today's recipe. Everything is washed and clean. I have shrimp, the snail, I have salted fish, tomato, pepper. Let's wash this spinach here. So with the essence young leaves, you can use spinach, and that's what I'm using. And I'm giving it a wash. Then we go start this recipe. You say ekoya gasa home seat food here. Adriana pa ayede. Yeah, so I have some water on fire. I just added the spinach, then the pepper, and then the tomatoes. Yeah, with this soup I just wanted everything to be green here, but I didn't get a green tomato, so just one will be good for us. And then just making sure everything get in the water. We're not going to overcook this thing. Keep on watching home seat food. So the spinach is done. I just off the fire, so I'll set it aside. When it cool down, then I'll blend. I added all the fish and then added the mushroom. Then I sliced half onion, and I'm just going to blend the half onion with the pepper, ginger, and then garlic. And I didn't show you those ones, I'm sorry. Then I'm done. I just added on the fish, then rinse the blender with some water, give it a stir, and then I'll let this cook on low medium heat for 10 minutes before I'll add any other ingredients. And keep on watching. And if today is your first time watching home seat food, I say God bless you and keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like what I am doing right now. God bless you all and keep on watching home seat food. So I just finished blending my tomatoes. So I took the tomatoes and then blend, then I just added, and gonna be on fire for another 10 minutes. And really all the meat has been dry, so we're not gonna waste much time in the kitchen. So the spinach has cooled down, and I'm going to blend this in the blender. There we go. Wow, just a green soup dear. No wonder green means stop. For us, we are not stopping there. We are not stopping anything here. Just add blended spinach or contemporary, and then stir everything up. Then I'll add a little bit of water that I'm using. I use the one that I cook with the spinach, and I use some to blend the spinach, and then the rest I'll use it to rinse the blender. So I'm going to let this be on fire for just 5 minutes, then I'll serve it out. So the 5 minutes is over, and look, it is done. So at this point you can enjoy this soup with some fufu, or you can drink it like that. So I cook the okra, then we are done. God bless you all for watching. So we meet in another video. Stay safe.